Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk about our no overlays. We got no overlays here. So what is an overlay? An overlay is like this. Let's say a big bank says, hey, right now due to COVID, we're going to only do 45 debt to income ratios on FHA. FHA says 56.9. FHA doesn't have an overlay or doesn't have a rule during COVID saying we're only going to go down to 45. A bank puts on a rule on top of a rule, and that's what an overlay is. So here's the guideline, and then the bank puts a rule on top of it. They want to protect themselves to have a better portfolio of loans. Okay, so that's what an overlay is. So overlays happen a lot with VA. So VA, a lot of banks stop at 41 DTI, 45 DTI, 50 DTI. I can do a manual underwrite up to 65. You got to qualify for it. It's tricky, but we can do up to 65. That's an overlay would be 41 or 45. So FHA, same thing. People in Chapter 13 bankruptcies for FHA, we do that. Most banks don't. Overlay. So if you've been told no by a bank because of a rule, make sure that that's an overlay and then give me a call. So I've had people get mad at me because when they think they see no overlays, that means we'll lend to anybody. That's not the case. We match the guidelines for VA and FHA. We don't have a rule on top of the rules. So keep that in mind. When it says no overlay, it doesn't mean we lend to everybody. And I've been getting yelled at by clients saying, it says no overlays, why can't you do my loan? And they get mad. So remember that. Overlays are rules on top of the guidelines. We honor the guidelines. We just don't lend to anybody. So there are rules we have to follow. So if you got burned by an overlay, give me a call. We have them for conventional too. There's a couple tricks up our sleeve for conventional that most banks won't do. If you want to know what that is, I want you to call me. 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. Thanks.